Hello and welcome to Online Fashion Design. Today we are going to do Bullion stitch. To do this, I have locked my thread and also I have done marking. Now for Bullion stitch, take 6 strands of thread. I'm using anchor thread. Okay, and the marking I have done with erasable ink pen. This is the pen. And the good thing about this pen is when you iron, this marking erases. So it is good for embroidery marking. Now let's begin, friends. I have locked my thread and now I'll put the needle at the desired length. Now I want this much length, so I'll insert the needle at this length. Okay. And now come back to the point where I started. Come out at this point. Once again, after locking the thread, put the needle at the length you want and then come out at the point you started, like this. Now remove the needle out. Don't remove it out completely. Keep little bit inside. I have removed the needle 3/4 out. I'll turn the ring so it's easy for me. Now I've removed the needle out 3/4 and now hold the finger behind the needle and do wraps around the needle. Like this you have to do the wraps. Now friends, when you do wraps, do it loose so that it is easy for next step. Now I will do 10 wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now hold to these wraps and remove the needle out slowly. Like this. Now slowly remove this thread. You have to remove it out from these wraps. So I'm holding the wraps and slowly pulling it out. That's it. Now this excess thread also I will pull it out. Now I want to fix it. So I will put the needle down from here. That's it, friends. This is Bullion. Now I have done a standing line. You can also do this Bullion in different other shapes also. Now let's try out circle. Now to do that, first you remove your needle out and then from little distance put the needle out like this. I have removed the needle 3/4 out. Now hold your finger behind the needle and do the wraps. This time I will take 15 wraps so the circle is visible. 1, 2, 3, 5. And friends, take it loosely. That's it. Now slowly I will remove the needle out. Don't leave the wraps. Now this time I don't want to make a line, I want to make a circle. So pull the thread out completely and now I'll put the needle back inside the same point from where I started. This is my circle, but however, as the circle is moving, I want to fix it down. So to do this, I will remove the needle out from the side of the circle and put it in the center of the circle. See, now my circle is fixed. Now it won't move. Now another thing what you can do with this is you can make a petal of flower. You can take different colors for this and a shaded color as well. First I'll remove the needle out And again from some distance, I'll remove the needle out 3/4 and do the wraps. This time I will take 20 wraps. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Friends, it's always nice to do challenging things, and slowly as we have moved from 10 and now 20 wraps, so it's quite exciting. Now slowly I'm trying to remove the needle out. Okay. Oh, I've managed it now. And slowly now remove the remaining thread also. Be careful, there are no knots. Yay, that's great. Now we will remove the excess thread as well. And this time, to do a petal, press it a bit to make a point like this. And put the needle back to the same point where we started. This is my petal. Now around the petal, remove the needle out. And I want to fix this petal. So I'll put it inside the petal. I'll put the needle in. Like this. Now what is the difference between a circle and a petal? A circle is more small. We are taking less wraps and not removing a point. In petal, we are removing a point and taking more wraps. So this forms a petal. Now like this, you can make more petals around like this. So it will look like a flower. Now this is a plant I want to show you. To do this, now I will take another thread. One second. First, now we will lock the thread. This is basically standing lines like this, but now we are doing it in a slanting position. After locking the thread, take the desired length and remove the needle out from the same point again. And this time, I'll take less wraps as it is small standing line, and three wraps would be fine. This is done. Now put the needle down and I'll remove the needle out from the next line where I want to make. This time I'll put the needle again, now the desired length I want, and come back to the same point again. Again I want 3 wraps. And you can take one more because I think the length is increasing now. Now when I move downwards for the plant, the length is increasing. So now I've taken 4 wraps. fix this one and move on to the next one. Now this is more length. Now this time I will take the length you want and come back to the same point. This time I'll take 5 wraps. Okay, and now pull it out. Now as I move on to the next lines below, I'll keep increasing my wraps, because the length is increasing. Now friends, this is my last stitch now. So from here I have completed the second last, and now move the needle to the last stitch. Remove the needle out. For the last one again, same thing. After removing the needle out, take the desired length. Remove the needle 3/4 out and do the wraps. This time I'll take more. I'll take 15 wraps. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now hold on to your wraps and slowly remove the needle out after you have pulled it. Now remove the excess thread. That's it. Now I'll fix it. That's it friends. This is how is the bullion stitch. You can make standing lines, circle, petal and plant. And friends, hope you liked my video. Do like and subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.